Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? It's good to hear that you all are fine. Okay, are you ready for lesson today? I am going to give you math lesson. Are you ready? Yes, that's good. Sing with me number point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I catch a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it cut my finger so. Which finger did it bite? Little finger on my right. Students, this is week 2. Our class is PS. Our subject is maths. Our topic of this week is introduction of number 4. Book page number 5, workbook page number 25 to 29 are included in this topic. Students, this is a new number for you. This is number 4. Standing line, slipping line, make another standing line makes number 4. This is number 4. These are stars. Let's count how many stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 stars and this is number 4. 4 stars. Students, let's count. These are knives. These are knives. Let's count how many knives. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 knives. Students, count with me your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 fingers. Students, look, what is this? This is peach. This is peach. It is very delicious. Let's count how many peaches. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are also 4. Students, this is your mathematics book. This is also number 4. But you cannot write number 4 in this way. You can write number 4 in this way. So this is number 4. These are bicycles. Let's count how many bicycles. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 bicycles. 4 bicycles. 4 bicycles. Students, you can trace number 4 in the air with your teacher. Let's start. Join 2 fingers. Standing line, slipping line. Make another standing line. Student, this is salt tray. You can write number 4 on this tray. Let's start. Standing line, slipping line, standing line. 4. Standing line, slipping line, standing line. 4. Standing line, slipping line, standing line. 4. Students, look how to write number 4. These are blocks. You can draw a standing line. Don't touch these lines. You can draw standing line. Don't touch this line of box. You can draw slipping lines. Standing line, slipping line, and in the half of this line you can draw another standing line. Standing line, slipping line, standing line makes number 4. Students, you can trace number 4 on your workbooks. Color in 4 objects and write number 4 on loose sheets. Okay, Allah Hafiz.